Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Tesla charger right here. So you might be trying to take this out just like this, and it's locked in there. The reason you can't get it out, even though you're pressing this button, you got to press this button, and it should pop out. So just give it a second, and it should come out if we hold it down. So let's hold it down for like 2 or 3 seconds, and then it comes out. So if you just press it, and then the charge port will go down. But let's press this. Place it back in. Now, what you need to do first before removing it is unlock your vehicle with one of these key cards or your phone. You just go up to here, swipe it, make sure your car door is unlocked. When your car door is unlocked, you can then go over here, hold it down for like 1 or 2 seconds, like I said. 1, 2, you hear a little sound, and it should come out just like that. So, very easy, unlock your car, and the charge port should come out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.